Warning: the sweet trap of insurance. Your money, your trust, and the truth you must know. Just imagine. One day you're sitting at home, your phone rings, and a sweet voice greets you from the other side. Sir, we have a special insurance policy just for you. Limited time offer. Your family's future will be secure, guaranteed returns, high bonus, tax benefits, everything in one plan. The voice is so confident, so trustworthy, so polished that you feel, wow, this is exactly what I needed. And that's where the story begins. A story that leaves many people with lighter pockets and heavier hearts. Because the real danger is not in the policy itself, but in the way it is sold to you. And if you are not cautious today, tomorrow you might end up saying, I wish I had thought more carefully. Insurance, a word linked with fear, safety, and hope, all at once. We buy insurance so that our family remains secure after us, our children don't struggle, and our parents are not left helpless. But when this noble concept falls into the wrong hands of aggressive marketing, it no longer remains protection, it becomes a trap. Today, the insurance industry is clean and regulated, but the wrong selling technique, mis-selling, is still playing with the lives and money of millions of people. And the scariest part of this story is that the wrong policy often looks perfectly right at first glance. The agent is smart, the company is big, the documents look authentic, and the promises are so attractive that your mind forgets to ask questions. This is where the first mistake begins. Hurry up, or you'll miss the opportunity. If any agent has ever told you, take it today or rules will change from tomorrow, this special offer is only for you, then understand, this is exactly where you need to be most careful. A good insurance product will be good today, tomorrow, next week, and even next month. Any product that sells only under pressure should always raise suspicion. A genuine company will always give you time to think, discuss with your family, and compare options. But if an agent doesn't even let you breathe and keeps saying, just sign it, then it's like standing on a mountain and jumping blindfolded. Now comes the most important question every insurance buyer must ask themselves. What will this policy actually do for me? But most of us forget to ask this. We only hear things like, this will cover your life. It's also an investment. It will secure your retirement. It will protect your child's education. It will save tax. It will give bonuses. And at maturity, you'll get a huge amount. And this is where the biggest illusion hides. Every product is not meant to do everything. If you need protection, a simple product like term insurance is the best. If you want investment, that requires a separate plan and the right financial vehicle. But when a single policy is presented as a superhero, this one plan will handle everything. Understand that behind this complexity, some truth is being hidden. Always remember one rule of life. The more complicated a product is, the easier it becomes to hide losses inside it. The real pain of insurance mis-selling is felt when a person finally understands the actual costs. Agents often show only returns, bonuses, and maturity values, but they cleverly hide the charges. Administration charges, allocation charges, mortality charges, fund management charges. They are hidden in such a way that the policyholder never realizes that a large portion of their money is being consumed by them. So before buying any policy, don't just listen to sales talk. Demand the official benefit illustration. This is your right. It clearly shows what will actually happen to your money, how much you will receive if you surrender after 3 years, after 5 years, and how much cash will truly come into your hands. Many people make the same mistake. They're excited while buying the policy. But when a few years later they need the money and surrender the policy, they are shocked to see their own money almost vanished. Then comes that magical word, guaranteed. It sounds so attractive. Humans love certainty. We feel good when someone says, this is guaranteed. But in the world of insurance, guarantees never come free. If there is a guarantee, there are conditions. Long premium payment durations, strict regular payments, lock-in periods, risk of policy lapse, these all come packed with that guarantee. And if the policy is market-linked, then no one on earth can guarantee 100% returns. If anyone says, "Sir, you will definitely get this, absolutely safe," then either they are hiding the truth or they themselves don't understand the product. In both cases, you must be alert. A good insurance sale always begins with questions about your life. A responsible advisor will ask, "What is your income? How many dependents do you have? What liabilities do you carry? Any existing loans? How much savings do you have? How many years of protection do you need? How much risk can you take? Which goals require security and which ones require investment?" But if an agent takes you straight to the form and says, "Just sign here, I'll handle the rest," then understand this clearly. The product is not being sold for you. It is being sold for commission. Insurance is not something to simply sell. It is a planning responsibility. If your suitability is not being checked, then your safety is at risk. And even if a mistake has already happened, even if you ended up with the wrong policy, what then? Many people give up at this point, but the truth is, you need to understand the system. The insurance regulator understands that sometimes people get trapped due to haste or false promises. That is why the free look period exists. After receiving the policy document, you get at least 15 days and 30 days for online policies to think. This is not just a formal rule, it is your safety shield. During this period, you can read the policy, understand the terms, consult your family and financial advisor. If it feels like the policy is not right for you, you can return it. But many people simply put the documents in a cupboard without reading them. And when problems arise years later, they say, "I wish I had checked it back then." Insurance is one of the most powerful financial tools in the world, but only when taken for the right reasons. If you buy a policy based on an agent's smiling face and confidently misleading promises, then the risk lies entirely in your own hands. But if you ask questions, read documents, compare options, stay clear about your goals, and avoid emotional selling tactics, then that SAM insurance becomes the strongest financial shield for your family. Insurance is not a luxury. It is a responsibility. Don't buy it just for tax benefits. Don't buy it just because the presentation looked impressive. Don't buy it just because everyone else is buying it. Buy it when you truly understand why you need it and which one is right for you. In today's world, marketing is stronger, selling is smarter, but your awareness is your biggest weapon. Not every attractive smile hides goodness. Not every shiny proposal is gold. There's a simple rule in the financial world. Any deal that looks too perfect is usually not perfect at all. Insurance agents are not bad people, but not every agent is responsible either. So before handing over the steering wheel of your finances to someone else, make sure the path they are taking you on actually leads to your destination, and not just to their commission counter. Because in the end, the loss will be yours, your money, your savings, your family's future. And here lies the biggest truth. More dangerous than those who sell wrong insurance are the people who buy insurance without thinking. Stay aware, choose wisely, and treat financial safety not as a fashion, but as a foundation. Only then will insurance truly become a shield for you, and not a trap that leaves you with nothing but regret.
If our video has taught you something new, do not forget to like and share this video so that this information can reach others as well. Your likes and shares are a source of inspiration for us. If you have any questions or suggestions, please let us know in the comments. It will be our honor to answer your questions and listen to suggestions. And yes, if you like our content, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you stay connected with every new story. Thank you. GRT Business YouTube channel sources: news from various news agencies, opinion polls, and other public sources. We try to ensure that every report and summary is accurate and verified, but we are not responsible for any dispute or error. Our aim is only to provide you with accurate information.